a hyper-realistic, cinematic split-screen composition featuring the Tata Safari with the new Hyperion 1.5-liter petrol turbo engine. On the left side, the car is shown in a ruined state. The bodywork is battered and caked in thick, dried mud. One headlight is cracked, and the paint is faded. Sitting inside a dimly lit, gritty, derelict urban workshop with rusted beams and shattered glass. On the right side, the exact same Tata Safari is depicted in brand new showroom condition, its paint gleaming with a deep metallic luster, LED DRLs piercing through the shadows, parked in a modern, high-contrast corner of the same workshop that has been cleaned and polished. The background transitions from a crumbling, oily garage floor on the left to a sleek, dark industrial aesthetic on the right. Detailed textures include flying sparks, swirling dust caught in light beams, and aggressive off-road tires. The atmosphere is intense and powerful, emphasizing the transformation from a rugged off-road beast to a sophisticated powerhouse. Remember one more thing, don't forget to like this video and subscribe our channel.